Hey everybody, it is your girl Erica Elizabeth, and I am here yet again with my best mate,
Sailor.
And today, Sailor and I are gonna be making quick, easy burritos. These burritos, Sailor, what did you decide to call them?
I was gonna call them cool burritos.
Okay.
Because I love burritos.
Okay, so Sailor says they're called cool burritos. I don't know, you guys. I call them like poor man burritos. Oh, so they're
beautiful
just
burritos.
Beautiful. Okay, even Sailor's on the positive side.
It's all right here.
It's all up there.
Right there. All right up here.
So I call them poor man burritos just because, you guys, it's a bunch of like simple ingredients. Obviously, y'all know right now grocery prices are literally insane. And if you're anything like me, you love things like Chipotle, but again, you know, like $20 for a burrito is just outrageous.
What's wrong with you people?
I mean, if you have it like that, then good on you, mate, but I don't personally. So I have to get creative and make things at home. And I want to make things at home. You know, it's always good to eat home cooked meals. So with that being said, today Sailor and I are going to make these burritos that I basically copied from Chipotle. I just paid attention to what I eat when I go to Chipotle, and then I just recreated it at home. So this is a cheap recipe. I think the most expensive thing here is our ground beef, which Sailor looks eager to, ma'am, which Sailor looks super eager to get into, but that's probably the most expensive thing here on the table. This is Gardein ground meat. It's plant meat, obviously.
Yes, I was, because when we were getting ready for this, I was like, Mom, can I have some pieces? And then she's like, yeah, sure. And I literally like ate 100. I was like,
okay, so Sailor's apparently been getting into the bowl ahead of the video, but so all you are gonna need for these burritos is really honestly whatever you want to put in a burrito and whatever you like. The things that we have here are, Sailor, can you tell everyone, do you know what we've got going on here?
so we have some tomatoes.
Hold on. And you guys, I just got canned diced tomatoes. Obviously, it's always good to use fresh ingredients, but a can of diced tomatoes at like your local grocery store or Walmart or Target is like $1 something, so cheap and just fine to eat.
And we have some lettuce.
Like Sailor said, we just have iceberg lettuce. I think a head of iceberg lettuce is
And
also
I'll
like
show them
$1.
this. So we have some cheese. We have some cheese.
And this brand of cheese, guys, is called Mucho cheese, and it is a vegan. Yes, it is a vegan cheese. And I think that's also on the pricier side. That might be like $3. So, you know, plant-based processed food like meat and cheese is going to be on the pricier side, but I don't care because it's like, it's for my health, and I feel like people will spend that much on Popeyes and stuff. So if you're going to eat things that are good and beneficial to your body, like, okay, spend a little bit more. Anyway, then what else do we have, baby?
We have some
You want to hold it?
beans, some black beans.
Yes. And then these I just sat out to show you guys what we seasoned our ground meat with. So this right here is our ground meat. And
This is Gardein brand, guys.
we seasoned this with smoked paprika, however you say it. Here it is here. We also used some cumin. And babe, can you show them that?
I don't even know what this is. This is liquid smoke, guys.
Liquid smoke.
Have some onion powder right here.
And we also used some Goya seasoning. And I really think that this also has like onion powder and stuff in it, but it's salt. So salt really makes everything taste really good.
We have some. So to top the burrito after we're done, we're gonna put some of the spicy ranch on it.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't really like the spicy ranch, so we got this one because I don't like that spicy ranch, so we got that one, the normal ranch, so I can put on my burrito. Mom, we didn't get hot sauce.
That's okay. All of these, or both of these I should say, are plant-based ranches, dairy-free, so you literally, and they taste just like regular ranch, so there's just no reason to eat dairy, you guys, and it's so bad for you. And we also have some whole grain tortillas right here. You guys, flour tortillas just turn into like muck and gunk and goo in your intestine. We're on our healthy girl summer. You could healthy boy summer if you're a guy. So,
Yeah.
try to avoid just unnecessary things. Whole grain tortillas literally taste just as good. And really what tastes so good is the meat and the lettuce and all of that stuff. So you don't need to add a flour tortilla. It's just gonna turn into glue basically in your intestine. And it's so hard to digest. It's hard on the stomach. You don't want to put that in there. So if you have it, if you eat it, you've probably been eating this way for however many years. So it's not, like, I can't say it's not the worst thing. It is bad. You really got to stop. There's just nothing positive I can say about it.
Yeah.
Okay, and then lastly, we have corn tortillas, crunchy corn tortillas. And I like to put that on the inside of my burrito because that crunch, you guys, it just changes everything. When you have a crunch in your food.
No, I know.
I just broke this. Okay, so we're pretty much ready to get started. So we are just gonna pile everything inside of our burrito and then eat it. This is about to smack.
I'm gonna make however I want.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
I don't really know how to make that sound.
Yeah, however you want. So I break mine up so that it'll kind of fold. And I'm gonna start with meat. Sailor, what are you starting with?
I'm starting with tomatoes.
Good idea.
I love tomatoes, so I'm starting with that.
I'm putting a lot of everything in here. And you know what? This might not even work out as a burrito, low-key, because I don't know if it's going to close. Like, I'm putting so many ingredients.
I'm not putting a lot. I just want to put a little bit.
Now, I recommend also, which I probably won't do for this video, but I recommend, you need help. Next thing, you want some meat? I recommend heating up your burrito after you've assembled it. That's something I don't really like about Chipotle is like your food can be cold, and I don't enjoy cold burritos. Like I feel like it should be hot or warm at least. Like I don't know, like a taco. Like I don't know. It just kind of grosses me out when I bite into something that's like cold and warm. So it's like the rice, I think, in a Chipotle burrito is somewhat like cold sometimes. And then I think something in there, it's like the roasted veggies, which is I get as my protein, that is usually pretty warm. And so it's just weird. It's like, can you just keep it consistent and like heat it all up, please? Okay guys, next I'm gonna put lettuce.
Yeah, I'm gonna
wow,
put
that's
lettuce.
a lot of lettuce. You want some of this, honey?
Yeah.
You guys, there's no right way to do it. Just as long as you get to put it in your mouth.
First?
Absolutely. No, I mean first, no, but you can use it. Okay, did you put any black beans?
No, but yeah, let me put some.
Okay. Now, I probably wasn't going to include this, but I'm using this very scary old avocado.
I'm not using it.
That I had in the fridge. Because, you know, he wants to be eaten, even though he's ugly. Look.
You're not that old. I did not even see that part.
He's had better days, but he's
he's
still
not that
gonna be,
old.
he's still edible, and we're still going for it. Ziggy, what time is it?
It's 1:48 p.m.
Sorry about that,
I
guys.
gotta leave, dude.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I miss
So,
you already.
I do too, baby, so
I
much.
don't know why, but I just miss you already.
I know, baby, I miss you too.
I'm gonna put some meat.
Okay, so, that's a good idea. So, I've got avocado on here, and the next thing I'm gonna do is add my ranch.
And I'm gonna add this. Cheese already.
Because there's just nothing like a
Yeah, I'm gonna add
Southwest Chipotle burrito. Like if you get that from Taco Bell, you guys, it smacks. It's okay, baby. So that's what we've got going on here. Now you let me know when you're ready to fold it up. Say, ooh, the seed just came right out. This is really gonna be more of a taco than a burrito because I do not think I can fold this.
Wait, I don't really want that much. Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, I don't really want that much. Okay.
Okay guys, we have assembled our burritos.
Yep.
Take a look. Okay you guys, so here are our burritos. Hopefully that zoomed in correctly for you guys. And I'm gonna try and help Sailor fold hers. So folding technique I think you're supposed to do is fold it in. Okay, is everyone able to see what I'm doing? and then fold the outer corner. I think, and I want to say that's how they do it at Chipotle. In, assuming it won't break. Okay. And then press. And then I've also seen people fry. I don't care, baby. I've also seen people like fry their burrito like seam side down in a skillet, and you can do that. If you're pressed for time, you're gonna have to do like me and just eat it as it is.
That tastes so good.
Is it? But if you have the time and you feel like it.
But then at the end it tastes bad.
Okay. But if you have time and you feel like it, you can always fry it. If not, just eat it as it is. Babe, happy hunting. Keep this sealed if you can, okay? I don't think you should hold it that way. There we go. Okay, wait for me. And you're gonna have to take a pretty big bite in order to get any of the filling, because right now you're gonna probably just get tortilla in your mouth. Okay, you guys, my burrito is more of a taco because I cannot get this thing to close. I stuffed it way too much, and that is something that happens. Sailor's turned out much cuter.
Yeah, because I put barely stuff in there.
Well, what do you want? I got excited.
Yeah,
okay,
but
you
don't
guys.
get too excited.
Mistakes were made. All right.
Want a bite?
On 3, let's take a bite. I know my
1,
mouth is watering.
2, 3.
It's so good.
Mm.
Mm.
Oh, so good.
You guys, I haven't eaten today. What a way to start the day. I'm putting more meat because my meat's hiding. Ooh.
Making it more
I'm
heavier.
so fat, dude.
You're not so fat.
Mm. 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 She said, baby, is that not so good?
Cheers. Clink. Guys, I'm gonna eat this all. We're definitely gonna make another one of these.
That is how you make a beautiful burrito, cool burrito, whatever we're calling it. It's so easy. Literally, you just pile everything in there, and the flavor is insane.
And guys, let's call these girl burritos because girls usually eat all of these burritos.
What if a guy wants to make it?
Yeah, but guys don't really like burritos.
Yes, they do. Okay.
I'm just thinking. I don't know.
So you guys, that is it for today's video. We hope that you enjoyed it. Hopefully you're able to assemble this burrito. We cannot wait to see you assemble this yourself at home. It is so easy and so quick to make, and it's pretty good, right, babe? Mm-hmm. She's like, let me get another bite. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications so you know when the next video is coming out. Share this with someone if you think it will help them. And stay tuned for next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, and guys, I want to show you one more thing. I'm going to come over there really quick, and I'm going to show you something.
I'm gonna eat.
I have something to show you. My teeth. Both of them came out. So, I hope you liked this video. Have a great time.
See you guys next time.
Bye.